There are a lot of videos that we've seen that in fact tell us the right ways of using grammar, the wrong grammar and the right version. But today's video is not any regular video, because in today's video I've brought to you some very innovative grammar rules that we will work on the corrections of. So let's get started. We're going to be looking at super common grammar mistakes in English and how we can correct them. 20 such sentences. Let's get started. The first one on the list is he made an excuse to be late. Right after excuse, there's a different form of be that we use. The right sentence is he made an excuse for being late. So we never say after excuse, excuse to be. We say excuse for being late. This was number one. Make sure that you do not make this mistake either in spoken English or written English. The next one is don't go in the sun. You don't go in the sun. You say don't go out in the sun, yeah, when you have the exposure to sun. So immediately after use, we say go out. It's a phrasal verb to be used together. Go out in the sun, yeah. So next time, don't say in the sun, say don't go out in the sun. Gotcha? The third one is tell me why did you do that? If you see, it's actually a sentence, it's not a question. Tell me. Why did you do that? We'll follow the quasi rule that we've spoken about in one of the videos. But tell me why did you do that is not an interrogation. So you say, tell me why you did that. Yeah? Tell me why you did that. So these were the first three in the list. Let's move to the next 17. The fourth one is this option is preferable than any other. The most common, because after prefer, people end up using then. However, we say this option is preferable to any other. We don't say preferable than, we say preferable to. The next one is there is no place in the hall. Imagine if there's a hall, a conference hall. It is being said there's no place in the hall. Excuse me, no place, no space or no room. So place is not the right vocabulary. We say no room or no space. Yeah? The next one is the girl wants to get herself married. Means like she wants, you know what I'm trying to say? I mean, is she like she's going to be the sole person to get married to by herself? No, right? It is the girl wants to get married, not the world wants to get herself married. These were the first six. Number 7 is I will go out after the dinner. We say I will go out after dinner because before dinner we do not use a specific article, definitive article. We say I will go out after dinner or after lunch. Number 8, he went to abroad for higher studies. Now if you see, abroad is not a name of a place such as London or New York. It's not a name of a place. So we say he went abroad for higher studies. So to here is not necessary. The next one is, you like ice cream, isn't it? Now it is a problem related to question tags. And the solution is very simple. When you make a sentence, normal sentence that has like in it, we don't use isn't it as a question tag. We say don't as a question tag. So if the sentence says you like ice cream, it's not isn't it, it is don't you. And what is the rule? Would like say do or don't depending on the positive part or the negative part of the sentence, and put you as it is. And so it becomes don't you. You like videos on grammar, isn't it or don't you? Let me know the answer in the comment section below. The next one is why do you need $100? Now if you see here, $100 is being counted as one money together. It's one noun together. And therefore, with that, we are going to use $100 because we are talking about 100. So instead of saying one, we say $100. Next, who cooked this salad? You cook a salad? Or there's a different word for it. You say who made the salad, not cooked the salad. A salad is never cooked, food is cooked. But a salad is often made because you're not basically burning it, or you're not basically, making a fondue out of it. You are just cutting it, chop, 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 and mixing it all together. So that is making the salad. Next is his new lenses are big. It changes to his new lens is big. If you see here, his new lens, lens is one word. And with one word, we don't use R. I'm afraid I said lenses before. It is lens. And therefore, with lens, it is that we use. Yeah, because it is one word. Lens. A pair of lenses, then it's going to be different. I have a good news for you. Now, can you count news? You can count a piece of information, but you cannot count one news, two news. So you say, I have good news for you, not I have a good news for you. Number 2, next one on this slide is, we will leave in a couple days. I've seen a lot of my American friends who speak English like this. They omit a word in this list, in this particular sentence order. The right one is, we will leave in a couple of days, not couple days, it is couple of days. They've always, especially my Asian American friends, they always think that couple days is the phrase to go. It's not couple days, it is couple of days. Next is, his new jeans is black. With jeans, you always use the plural verb, which is are. His new jeans are black. The next is, do you have the internet access? With internet, we never use the. So you say, do you have internet access? Again, internet is not something that you can count. Is it countable? 1 internet, 2 internet, 2 kgs, 3 kgs. No, you cannot count it, right? So what do you say? Do you have no articles at all? Internet access. Next, I love internet. Now, the rule changes from the first one here. We are going to be putting the here primarily because internet is one of its kind, is one of a kind technology. When something is one of a kind, we always use the in front of it. Now the singularity, plurality is not in consideration. It's the one of the kind character. So it is, I love the internet, the technology that allows us to connect with each other and find any information. Next, I need a couple of more cups of coffee. I need a couple more cups of coffee. In this case, couple of more omits and changes to couple more cups of. So the relevant of that we need in the sentence is already there. We don't need 2 offs, couple of more of. Couple more cups of coffee. A lot of times, because people are in the habit of using couple of, they end up using it here as well. So we say couple more cups of coffee, not couple of more of cups of coffee. That would be wrong. The next one is the final one. Measles are especially common among children. Now, it is a bit of a medical condition. If you see here, there is S in the end. It is single medical condition, I'm afraid. Even if it is single and it has S in the end, we don't use plural auxiliary verb with it. We simply say measles is especially common among children. And the last one is on the same lines. The scissors is not big enough. Now scissors, anything that has 2 parts in it, for example, jeans example we just saw, anything that has 2 parts in it takes the plural verb. So we say the scissors are not big enough. Yeah. So ladies and gentlemen, this was all about the 20 grammatical mistakes, most common new grammatical mistakes that we looked at in this lesson. Share this video, make sure you do not repeat them, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the flip side. Bye-bye.